Hey guys, welcome to Yoga for Fibromyalgia. My name is Sarah and I'm a yoga teacher living with and healing fibromyalgia. Today's class, we've got a quick yoga break and we're outside in the garden because my whole family are self-isolating in the house and they are really, really noisy. So go ahead and grab your things and let's get started. Great, so starting in any comfortable position, whether that's sitting down on the floor with your legs crossed or in any which way, maybe sitting up on a cushion. And we'll just close our eyes for a moment and come into our practice, just settling in, whatever that means for you. Maybe getting aware of our surroundings, the position of the spine, and beginning to breathe slowly and deeply in and out through your nose. Let the muscles of your face relax and soften. Taking this time out for yourself, really a time in for yourself to go inwards. Stir up your energy, get the blood moving, and connect with yourself. Take a deep breath in, and a long, slow exhale out. And slowly open your eyes on your next inhale. Great. Let's begin with our arms stretched out right in front. On your next inhale, turning your palms facing outwards and bring your arms wide to the sides. Big inhale. Exhale, palms face down and lower your arms down. Inhale, palms face up, arms stretch all the way up to the sky. And exhale, palms down, arms in front once again. Little yoga for the brain there. Okay, keep the arms where they are. Inhale, palms facing away, big stretch, open up. Exhale, palms facing down and allow the arms to fall down by your sides. Inhale, palms facing up, all the way up to the sky, big stretch. And exhale, palms down, arms back in front. We're going to try that once again. So arms out, palms face down. Inhale, palms facing away, big stretch. Exhale, palms face down, allow the arms to fall down by the sides. You might be feeling the arms waking up, feeling a little achy. Inhale, all the way up, big stretch. And exhale, palms face down, arms in front. And then just relax them all the way down. Good. Notice how you feel. Pause. Notice any tingling sensations in the shoulders. You might feel kind of a heaviness as we begin to wake up the muscles there. But it's all good. Just noticing what we feel after we move in a particular way, in a mindful way. Great. Let's wake up the neck a little bit. So inhale all the way up. Exhale, chin to chest. Inhale up. While you're here, notice the alignment of your spine. Exhale down. Inhale up once again. And exhale down. Let's go over to the left side, ear to shoulder. And through chin to chest over to the other side. And then just feel free to just move around and work out the kinks for a minute. Breathing deliberately in and out through the nose. Last breath or two. Great. And come off your little seat and stretch your legs out long in front of you. If you like, you can place a cushion under your knees, or you can keep your knees slightly bent. We're going to inhale, arms wide, all the way up. And as you exhale, begin to fold, bend your knees really, really generously as you begin to come down. Now, you might stay here today. You might come a little lower. It's not our focus today. Our focus is just waking up the back. So on an inhale, let's roll up. Lower back, mid back, upper back, shoulders, and the arms follow up. Big inhale. Exhale again, fold, whatever that means, whatever that looks like for you. Maybe the head bows down. Inhale again, rolling up. Arms follow. Grab something, reach for your goals. Exhale, bring them down and in. Release the head. Do that twice more. Inhale slowly up. Let your head be wild. Big stretch up. And exhale, release. Good. Do one more on your own. And we'll meet inhaling back to center. And pause here and feel the effects of our practice. Notice how you feel in your back, your body. Good. And then we can remove the cushion if we've got one under our knees, and bend your right knee, foot near your left leg. We're going to bring your left arm around so the outside of your left arm is on the outside of your right knee. Inhale, swim your right arm around and back for a little twist. You can bend the elbow here, and you can make yourself have more room. You don't need to be all small and tight here. Okay, nice twist. Notice how you feel. If you feel any pinching in the hip, perhaps you need to open your legs a little wider. Okay, and if you'd like, you can look over your right shoulder. Or if there's any pain or pinching in the neck, stay looking forwards. And take some deep breaths in and out through your nose. Every time you're inhaling, feeling your spine lengthen, taller and taller and taller. Every exhale, maybe slightly twisting more, so not necessarily in the neck, but in your upper back, from your heart space. Let's inhale here, and slowly come back. Feel a release in your back. Take a breath in center, and long breath out. Let's take your left leg this time, bending the left knee, bringing the right arm around to the outside, and then swimming your left arm around and back for your twist. Might feel different on one side, so just notice. And with your right foot, be sure you're pushing into an imaginary wall, so it's a whole body pose here. Whole body awareness. And again, you're inhaling and you're lengthening. And as you're exhaling, you're gently, gently twisting. Let's inhale here. And exhale, slowly come back. Good. Let's take a breath in center, or maybe you want to shake it out and wiggle. Good. If you like, you can cross your legs and come onto your hands and knees that way, or find yourself in hands and knees another way. And then we will slowly roll up to standing. So take your time, lifting up the knees first, coming onto the feet, and then rolling all the way up. Take your time here. Hold on to props or something if you need. You can stop halfway, take a breath, and continue all the way up to standing. And we arrive into Tadasana, mountain pose. Take a breath, get your bearings, and then we will come with our feet wide, about as wide as your wrists when you put your arms out to the sides. Bring your hands to your hips, take a deep breath in. As you exhale, let's begin to fold forward. So push with all four corners of your feet, push with your toes, slightly bend your knees. Maybe you come to about here and you decide that's where you'll stay. Hands can come to blocks or a chair or books or anything you've got, or maybe all the way to the floor. Or hands can stay on the hips. Let's release the head down and relax the whole weight. The weight of the back, the weight of the head. Bend your knees a little. We call that micro bending. And give your head a little nod. Shake your head loose. Imagine a little door opening up, and anything that no longer serves is draining out. Okay, let's begin to roll up. So inhale, micro bending the knees and coming all the way up. We're going to keep a flat back this time, so we're at 90 degrees, and then let's come all the way up. Good. Take a moment to get your bearings again. You can feel a little dizzy as the blood moves around the body. Wait for the blood pressure to normalize. We'll go for that again, but this time let's open the arms wide and interlock fingers together, or you can hold onto your belt or your strap if you've got one, or a little towel. When you're ready, exhale, forward fold, bend the knees generously and let the arms float back. Same thing, head and neck nice and loose. Don't worry about how far you go down, that's not the focus here. The focus is on a little release and move the blood, move the energy around the body. So whether you're up here to at 90 degrees, maybe you're a little lower, maybe you're a little higher, maybe you don't fancy forward folding today and you're standing in mountain pose with your arms interlocked, still opening your upper back, still doing what serves you and your body. One more breath here. Now to come up, let's again micro bend the knees. Inhale slowly to 90 degrees if you're not already. And then we'll make our way all the way up. Releasing the fingertips. Maybe give the hands a shake or even a massage, and the wrists as well. Okay, so let's come to standing, feet together, or you can have a little sit down if you want. So we close our practice, maybe the feet a little distance apart, like if you're on uneven ground like me. Let's bring the hands together at the heart space. Let's have a moment to pause and reflect. Remember, you can come to connect with yourself, whether that's through yoga or any other practice that serves you, anytime that you want, and anytime that you don't want actually as well, will still serve you and nourish you. Thank you so much for practicing with me today, and I hope to see you really soon. Stay safe, stay home. Namaste.